Today I'm going to teach you how to tune your ukulele if you don't have a tuner like a Snark or a pedal tuner or something like that. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it, you don't have one anyways. And I highly recommend that you do get a Snark tuner, especially as a beginner, because it makes things way easier. I will have an affiliate link down below. I actually have partnered with Amazon, and if you use my link there, it helps me out. So you can grab a Snark tuner. But if you don't have one, we're going to teach you how you can tune your ukulele still. You're going to use your ears. So the first note on a ukulele, the string that is closest to your chin if you're holding the ukulele, and also the fourth string, is going to be a G. So what you want to do is listen to that note, and then you're going to change you're going to play the note that you have on that top right now, and you're going to ask yourself, is mine lower or higher than that? This is perfectly in tune right now. Is yours lower or higher? If it's lower, you want to tighten your string until it matches. If it's higher than that, you want to loosen your string so it goes lower and then matches. Got it? If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. All right, that was our first note. Now on to the third string. This string is a C. Listen and play yours with it. Is yours higher or lower than this note? Make adjustments to your string based on the difference. If your string is lower than that one, if it sounds lower than this tone, then you're going to tighten the string using your tuning pegs. If it's higher than that, then you're going to loosen your tuning peg. All right, now our second string. This is going to be an E. E as an elephant. Play yours along with it, and again decide, is your note lower or higher? And then make adjustments as necessary. One more time. Okay, and then our first string is an A. Listen again. Now play yours. Is yours higher or lower? If it's higher, we're going to loosen, correct. And if it's lower, we're going to tighten. All right, is your ukulele sounding good? Let's go through these one at a time. How's it sound? How'd you do? If it doesn't sound like that, rewind and go to the beginning of the video and try again. There's no shame in it. You can do this. And if you have any questions, throw them below. All right, we'll see you in the next lesson.